if Goa is indeed the paradise of India, friends, I believe that BJP is the malaise of Goa. As they say, it is going to be Goa, Goa and gone for the BJP. There are so many things I could discuss about misgovernance and non-governance here, about some of the nastiest unemployment rates in the country, the lowest GDP in the whole country, including all states of India and union territories, per capita in the last 2 years in Goa. The Honorable Prime Minister of India promoting tourism, trade and technology. He called them the 3 T's, T for telephone, tourism, technology and trade, just 2 days ago. And those very same 3 things suffering terribly in Goa, in his own backyard. And the destruction of the basic livelihood of fishermen. And so on and so forth. I could go on and on and on, ad nauseum, ad infinitum. The first theme, friends, is the destruction of all ethical, moral, political and constitutional values by the ruling BJP. As it is done nationally, so it is done in Goa. Now in Goa, I am not talking about the 10 MLAs, etc. of 2019. I want to illustrate how the BJP preaches to you every day, every moment, sermonizes, preaches without practice, sermonizes without shame, and that poaches without pause. This is the sad alliteration, not the music of Lata Mangeshkar, but the sad alliteration of the BJP. It preaches without practice, sermonizes without shame, and poaches without pause. Not the 10 MLAs of 2019, but equally bad is what happened after they created that artificial majority. And this really illustrates the Chal Charitra and Chehra of the BJP. Shortly after this happened in 2019, the complaint was filed about corrupt practices. And note the date when it was filed, 8th of August 2019. To a office who is supposed to be the custodian of these legislative values, the Speaker. 8th of August 2019. What does the Speaker do on the clear instructions of his master, the BJP? For 21 months, he sleeps on it. Kumkaran slept only for 6 months. The Honorable Speaker, in the most egregious abdication of constitutional values, decided not to decide. Decided not to decide. And after 21 months, on 21st of April 2021, he rejects. He rejects a clear, egregious, blatant violation of the defection law. He rejects the complaint. It is of course now sub judice and pending in the High Court. But what is the point I am making? The point I am making is that from the luring, from the poaching to the delay, all this is designed for the BJP machine making artificial majorities. To take advantage, because after 24 months, the fruits of the poisoned tree have been utilized in whatever way the BJP wants.